Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, my pleasure.
Yep, have a great day. Subscribe.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Ouch, I'm so ready. Panera. We're too famous. We had to stay in a separate hotel because we don't want our fans. Hi, fans. See, you hear them screaming for me? I know.
We're gonna tell some more Uber drivers that we're famous.
Get on my level. Taxi. World Center Marriott, please.
Dakota, do you want to tell them where we are?
Oh my god, this is my favorite place. I've never been here, but I already know it's gonna be my favorite because I love alligators. We're here.
Alright guys, we're at we're at Gatorland, Orlando, Florida.
Oh yeah, that'll hold it back.
You can hold back 130 gators.
Probably.
Has so far.
Alright, I'm going home to my mother. How do you feel about this?
I'm just like, I'm living for it, everything about it.
We're
It's
living
just,
for it. We're living for it.
it's great.
They're
That's
huge.
King Gator right there. King Gator.
He's a professional.
I call them over. I do this with them like every day. Yeah, some of them do, like Mona over there. Kyle's the really big guy with his head on the edge. We call that guy Jaws because he's got like a square face.
We're about to die. We're about to die.
I'm so nervous. Oh my.
What's going on?
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm wearing. I'm shaking. This vlog is gonna be.
At a time, then just come down to the line when you have a pee. Alright. So go ahead. You don't have to wait. It's not Disney, you know. We don't make lines and stuff like that.
I feel like that big guy's just eating all the food.
Where should I throw it?
I want to give
On the
it.
side of their face.
Oh! Oh
There you
no.
go. There you go.
He's offended.
Juliana.
He's offended.
So, yeah, wait, hang on.
He still has meat on his back.
You're not in like their line of sight. It's not.
Dakota, how do you feel about this?
I am living for it.
I believe that we just held an alligator.
Look.
This isn't happening. keep it like PG-13. I can't breathe. I got bras in Atlanta. Out, you're in it, hand out.
get an Uber, and we're gonna get some food, and then we're gonna go back to the room and maybe live stream again and make videos. Right, Dakota?
Yes, so good.
So good.
Alright guys, here's what we're gonna do.
I'm surprised they're all good.
Yeah, they really freaking. Is that a tow truck towing their car?
I really don't
All I
know.
know is that my stomach is really hurting.
Driver 1 and vehicle 1s are the parties that fall for the crash, and they were also cited for careless driving. Alright, well, hopefully this is it for you guys.
Sitting in the hospital, we were in a car accident last night, and me and Dakota are like in rooms across from each other. I just can't believe this happened to me again. Like, that's usually a foreshadowing that something's gonna go wrong. I feel like this is gonna be like a foreshadowing of like this weekend, because
So, if you don't see another video, that's probably why. I'm probably in the emergency room. Thank you guys so much for watching.